Hello everyone and welcome on this new late week analysis on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So of course I'm very happy about my last deal of the day on the gold. Thankfully it was really overall a very good deal and reversed actually from the entry and went in total of 470 pips and currently 348 pips. Congratulations for those who actually have taken this signal. But again, to be honest and fair with everyone, most of them actually have been able to secure the profits right here exactly at 420. Because actually guys, the gold was actually ranging at this point somehow, and we were not really sure if it was a good idea to keep the trade running at the time of the news. I even actually have announced on my Telegram to be very cautious with this signal. As you can see right here, yesterday at the time of the Fed news about the interest rates, the signal actually was somehow at the entry. So therefore, of course, keeping it was very risky. But overall, thankfully, it went as predicted. Not only the gold, by the way, guys, it's even the EURUSD from the last midweekly analysis. As you can see, EURUSD also running in around 80 bips. Pound USD, check out this beautiful signal for the Pound USD. I'm very happy about it. And thankfully, a very sharp sniper entry, currently running in around almost 100 pips. AUDUSD also has been activated with a sniper entry and currently 65 pips. Even the USDCAD currently 73 pips. Only the USDJPY is not doing well. So overall, thankfully, it was so far a very good week to Xtreme Trader family, and I'm very proud about it, and hopefully we will keep it. And by the way, guys, of course, please stay connected to us through our Telegram channel. Here is the channel Xtreme Gold Signals, and you can just simply find the link in the description below of this video. So let's now discuss the gold and what we can expect now for the rest of this week. So from my point of view, gold will continue the rise. Let me just first of all now delete the old signal, and let's now start from scratch. So based on the current 4-hour time frame, again my friends, it's very important to remember that gold actually has been declined for at least 5 times from the support zone at 4190 bracket. And so far it seems like the gold will continue the rise. However, it's very important to mention that it has been a very lazy week for the gold. And this is of course something expected during during December. So again, gold actually has been ranging within this neutral channel between 4170 and 4260. So the gold most likely will continue ranging within this channel for the rest of this week. I'm not actually expecting that major breakout from this channel anytime soon. Therefore, we can continue trading the gold within this channel. Now, what we can see right here based on the 4-hour time frame is actually a triangle, as you can see, that has just been broken out from. Let me just show it to you right here exactly. Perfect. So the gold has indeed made here a strong bullish breakout from that channel or that triangle, as we can see. Now, of course, yesterday the Fed has announced a cut by 0.25%, as we actually have expected from the news. By the way, guys, all these results of the EURUSD, Pound USD, AUDUSD and the gold, it wasn't really random, because we actually have expected the cut and the news was based on it. Sorry, the analysis was actually based on the news. However, now what we can do next with the gold is, if we actually draw the Fibonacci right from this high to this low, as you can see, we have right now Fibonacci 38.2 has been born. Now remarkably, it actually pointing right at the nearest level of resistance to that bullish breakout candle. It's actually a good sign that we can actually consider buying the gold exactly right at it. It's not only going to be on the continuation retracement or retesting the broken level of a resistance. No. It's more than that. It's actually retesting an entire structure on the gold with this broken triangle and retesting the resistance trend line, hopefully by creating a new level of a support trend line. And hopefully the gold will continue to rise to reach the highest level of a resistance at 4257. But of course, we cannot just really rely on that, right? We need some sort of confirmation first of all. Okay, so let me just first of all highlight the entry, which is gonna be right here exactly, because we actually need some more confirmation on that, guys. So as I have said before, I will actually use the magic of trend lines to find our next entries. So what we can do is simply draw right now a support trend line from this key level of a resistance, from a support trend line, number 1, number 2, number 3. Now we actually have here a support, or actually a key support trend line. Now what you will do next is simply drag and drop the same line that you have drawn here and just simply place it right on the next level of a key support trend line that you can see right here. Do that. Exactly, check this out. So by placing the line right here exactly at the key level of a support trend line, it seems like the market is actually respecting this level. And by the way guys, I actually have explained all of this in a video on my channel called The Magic of Trend Lines Part 1 and Part 2. Please go ahead and watch it. So as you can see right now, the supported trend line actually has been respected all the way, and finally we have here a fake breakout from that area. We call it a fake breakout because right after this bearish breakout candle, the market did not really respect this level as a resistance, and as we can see, resumed the rise. Therefore, hopefully the gold will continue the fall and respect the same level of a support trend line and then continue the rise. Therefore, for the rest of this week, I would recommend to consider buying at 4205, targeting, let's just be clear, targeting 4256, aiming around 500 pips. Hopefully it's going to be in our favor with this signal. Meanwhile, the stop loss shouldn't actually be ranging lower than the previous level of a support at 4180, which will be ranging for around 230 pips, which I believe is fair as a risk to reward ratio. Let me know, please write this signal for you. And in the end guys, just a small reminder that just because the last results was really good on the signals on the gold doesn't mean that this one is going to be great as well. Always remember that every analysis is subjective to fail. Always remember that losses are part of the business, so therefore we absolutely promise nothing at all. There is always a possibility that every signal that you're receiving on YouTube or anywhere else might actually fail. For that reason, please consider to trade wisely, and of course in the end this is not a financial advice, and these videos are shared for educational purpose. And in the end, of course, don't forget please to join our free channel of Telegram to stay connected to Xtreme Trader to receive all these updates from me personally. Again my friends, the channel name is Xtreme Gold Signals, and you can just simply find the link in the description below of this video. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.